Do you want to draw a cute baby dragon that really moves? Today we're drawing a little night fury, just like Toothless, but even cuter. And when we finish, he's going to surprise you with his fiery breath. Ready? Let's go! First, draw a big round head with 2 pointy ears on top. Use soft round lines so he looks sweet, not scary. Now draw 2 huge eyes with tiny white circles inside. Big shiny eyes make your dragon look extra adorable. Add a small nose and a happy open mouth with a tongue. A smiling mouth makes him look friendly and fun. Next, draw a round body and 2 short arms reaching out. Keep the arms stubby and cute, like a baby plush toy. Draw 2 legs with little toes and claws at the bottom. Use tiny triangle shapes for his claws, just enough to show. Now let's add his dragon wings. Small with curved tips. Make the wings short and rounded so they look gentle. Add some soft, small scales on the dragon's head and back. Make them look a little like its ears, but smaller. This will help it look more like a real dragon. Last, draw his tail curling to the side. Give it a smooth bend to make it look playful and soft. Time to color. Black for the face and body. Bright green for the eyes. Pink for the tongue. Blue for the wings. And yellow for his claws. Now it's time. Let's shout, Toothless! And watch him move. Look, he's blinking and playing with his blue fire breath. So cute! If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you won't miss the next magical character that comes to life.